So we just finished up the CarPlay on a 2019 GLA. So if we come round to the front, we'll go through the system in the car. So with the vehicle, we have the original screen here. How to operate it, we can go in and out via the back button here. So press and hold in, we'll go to your original screen, and we're going to press and hold again. It will go back to your CarPlay screen. Obviously through the CarPlay, you have your original home menu, which will give you maps, which will work on here. You can search for destination. We have Waze on here as well. We also have the ability for Spotify. We can play what was recently played on here. We can skip tracks. We can also skip tracks and stuff through your steering wheel. Obviously, so I've got volume up and down on here. And volume back down. Obviously, we can skip tracks by just clicking to the side. And as you can see, it will skip your track. And if we do that again, it will skip your track on there. So, in terms of the system, obviously, runs off your original factory Bluetooth, so that creates your sound. We have USBs and cables to connect directly here in your armrest, so we have an external USB to use as well. Completely wireless, as you can see through my phone. Obviously everything is up on here. 3 most recently used apps will be on the side here. 1 for music, 1 for messaging and calling, and 1 for maps. So if I was to use Google Maps, you will see, because it's the most recently used one, it will change the icon just up here. Obviously down below, we can hit the button here. We'll go to a split screen with your maps and your music all in one location. Obviously, if you press and hold that icon, it will activate Siri for you, which will be up here. Obviously, you can press to cancel. Obviously this one retains your factory reversing camera as standard. So if you'd like anything like this, give us a call.